In this problem, we have 3 base 5 times 4 base 5. So let us first start by placing our place value, naming our place values. 5 to the 0 is 1. 5 to the 1 is 5 place. 5 to the 2 is the 25's place. And so all this indicates here is that we have 3, just 3 singles. Those 3 singles are in the ones place. What this number here indicates is that we want to quadruple that. We want to make it 4 times larger. And so I'm going to make it 4 times larger with these new tokens. In each place, the most numbers we can have is 4. We can't have more than that, and we suddenly have 12. So we have to regroup these. Now we want to regroup and exchange them in groups of 5. And so here is a group of 5 that we will exchange and move over here to have a new token. And then the same thing here, we will have 5 grouped together, and those 5 will move over as a single token. We only have 2 left, and that is okay to have. What do we have? We have 2 tokens that are worth 5, and we have 2 tokens that are worth 1. Altogether, that gives us 12 tokens like we knew we had originally. That's in base 10. However, what we need to do is just say, oh, well, there are 2 tokens in the 5s, and there are 2 tokens in the 1s, and that's all we need to know base 5. Whether you write it as base 5 like that, or 22 or 22 base 5 with a little 5 like that. So this 12 base 10 is equivalent to 22 base 5. Again, we have 2, 1 in base 5 times a 3 base 5. Begin by naming your place values. We have the 1's place, the 5's place, and the 25's place. We are going to start with this 2, 1. That means we have 2 in the 5's place and 1 in the 1's place. What we want to do then is to triple that. So we have a triple of that and a triple of that. Now the most we can have in any one section is 4, which means groups of 5 need to be moved out. So in the 1's place here, there are only 3, so that's perfectly fine. We can leave those guys there. In the 5's place, we have a group, we have 6, we can't have that. So this group of 5 here, we're going to move it over to give us a single token in the 25's place. And so what do we have left? We have 1 in the 25's place. We have 1 in the 5's place. And we have 3 in the 1's place. Together, that gives us 25 plus 5 is 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. That's in our base 10. However, we want to figure out what it is in base 5. We can just say how many we have in each section. We have 1 in this section, 1 in this section, and 3 in this section. And so we have 113, 113, base 5, or 113, base 5. Either answer is acceptable. Here is its base 10 equivalent.